भाई होने का एक अलग वो है, एक बैकिंग वाली फील आती है कि मेरा भाई बैठा है.
Why
Same
the fuck
thing.
you guys were so
Hard on yourself.
I would have rather told that girl to
Yeah.
like protect her friendships.
मैं हूँ. तो मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ, तो मेरे साथ जो होगा वो बहुत अच्छा होगा.
Never
Yeah.
attach your
Self-worth
worth
to
to anybody.
anything.
Anybody, just yourself.
30 सालों से दुनिया चलती आ रही है, इतनी सारी बातें बोली जा चुकी है, लिखी जा चुकी है, जी जा चुकी है. You know, people have lived experiences. You do not have a single original lived experience. I am saying it out loud, and it is okay.
Somebody will like your eyes, somebody won't like your eyes. Somebody will like your makeup, somebody won't like your makeup.
Yeah.
Somebody will like a certain outfit, somebody will like you don't look good in your outfit. As long as you love yourself in any form, any way, anything, you are good.
Love is not conditional, and if it is, it's not love. Hi guys, this is Gurish.
And this is Sim, and welcome back to
Another episode of GG Unplugged, where yapping never ends.
What are we?
Yapping about?
Yes.
Do we really even need a topic to yap about at this point?
That's also true. we were just yapping the last 30 minutes as well when we were on a lunch break.
Yeah, Loki, तुमने जो conversation नहीं सुनी वो बहुत interesting थी जैसे. Nevertheless, today we're talking about, I mean, हम अगर, because मुझे लगता है हमारी काफी audience वो है, the teenage audience, people in their earlier 20s, and even if you're older than us, well, we're trying to give some big sister advice that I wish हमें किसी ने दी होती.
Yeah, I don't
तुम्हारा-
have a big sister.
I don't have an elder sister either. I mean, just the other day we were talking about what it is like to have a sister. And-
Yeah. I now
Right.
remember.
Just now मुझे
we
click
had
हुआ.
a group discussion.
Yeah.
So we were sitting with a guy friends, and one of the guy, like, he doesn't have a sister. Like,
Yeah.
they're both brothers.
Yeah.
And he was asking us, like, what does
What
a
is it like having a sister?
The role of sister
Yeah.
in your life. Like, why is it so important to have one?
Yeah.
And we were like, that's a good question.
Yeah.
And then Gurish went on saying, like, a few things.
Yeah.
Which was?
You're like, which one?
Yeah.
No, because having a sister, it's almost like second guardian wali cheese. Like, you have your mother, you have your father, but then a sister is also like almost like a guardian. The emotional maturity that and the emotional intelligence that women carry, honestly, as a sibling. भाई होने का एक अलग वो है, एक backing वाली feel आती है कि मेरा भाई बैठा है.
True.
Right? But then having an elder sister is almost like mother, but I don't know, softer
version
or
of your mother.
Exactly, more accessible version of your mother की
Yeah.
motherly figure, but इनको अपनी ऐसी चीजें भी बता सकते हैं, and she'll get it.
She'll get it. And also, a sister or like a woman's role in your life
Yeah.
brings much more clarity about the world and to see it from a kind and empath point of view. And not
Yeah.
everything is like practical solution, get go, solution. Sometimes you also need to like sit and feel
Right.
कि अगला बंदा ऐसा क्यों सोच रहा है and what did I do wrong, and not it's always like कि अच्छा ये problem आ गई तो इसका ये solution, and there's no emotion in between.
Right, yeah.
So a sister and a woman's role like put emotions in you.
That's
This
true.
is
You have more
what-
whole perspective
whole
of things.
perspective as a
Yeah.
woman. But
That's
that was it. So we thought let's just talk about something we wish we knew as as somebody like who had somebody who would have a big sister.
Yeah.
But we as a big sister
To you all.
to you all
Really want to share some of the things हमें शायद किसने बताई होती, या फिर Loki, I just want to go back in time and say that to Lil Gur and Lil Sim, I would say that, you know, bro, first of all, you're doing really well. We're here in 2025, so you definitely were doing really well. And you should have been a little softer on yourself.
you should have been we still are not.
We still are not.
And I think 5 years down the line, we would also think,
Say the
why
same
the fuck
thing.
you guys were so
Hard on yourself.
hard on yourself. Like, what you guys were up to? Like, just live a little. But
I know,
like
right?
5 years before these, like, let's say we were 20, right? And we were in our universities, right?
Yeah.
We just completed 12. What was that? Like around
2020, just first year college.
first year college. So like we were in first year college, and I was so naive. I was like a bubbly kid, and I was like, सारे दुनिया में अच्छे होते हैं लोग.
वो तो मेरा बहुत अभी लेटली टूटा है. Bubble. But well, talking of that first year college or just school college really, Sim, what is something छोटी Sim को, what is something you would want to tell to your younger version? Like,
I would tell her to be more expressive and louder with what's going on in her head and mind, rather than just like going with everybody's flow.
Got
For
it.
example, if somebody would have said like, I want to go here, I want to do this, let's do this, let's do that, I would not say no, just because I felt like अगर मैं ना बोल दूँ तो I would like be a bad friend, I would look like a bad person. उसका मन है, चल कर लेते हैं, and I would like disassociate myself with that feeling कि नहीं 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 तू कुछ ज़्यादा ही सोच रही है, इतना तो उसने किया भी नहीं है. एंड देन देयर वुड हैव बीन इंस्टेंसेस जहाँ मैं एकदम ब्लो आउट हो जाती हूँ कि आई कैन जस्ट टेक इट इन मी, दैट्स जस्ट दैट वाज अ नेचर इन मी कि मेरा वो घड़ा भर जाता है, देन आई जस्ट टेक इट आउट. एंड फिर मैं अपनी फ्रेंडशिप्स को आई वुड हैव रादर टोल्ड दैट गर्ल टू लाइक प्रोटेक्ट her friendships. And I regret a lot of things right now, like not protecting a lot of my friendships just because I thought कि I took it for granted कि ये बंदा मेरी वाइब का नहीं है, ये वो नहीं है, ये वो नहीं है, कि I would have like put them in category कि ये बंदा मेरी वाइब का नहीं है, ये अच्छा नहीं, but eventually you regret it later कि नहीं, that would be my good friend. अगर मैं उसे connection करके रखती या connect में रहती तो it would have been good.
Relationships are work, like friendship, relationships, anything.
So I don't think I was good at maintaining relationships when I was younger, because I just thought कि मैं ही मैं हूँ, तो मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ, तो मेरे साथ जो होगा वो बहुत अच्छा होगा. लाइक जो भी मेरा फ्रेंड होगा ही और शील बी लकी, बट दैट्स नॉट द थिंग. वो मेरा बबल बहुत गंदे तरीके से बर्स्ट हुआ कि आई ऑल्सो नीड टू पुट सम एफर्ट्स इन दैट रिलेशनशिप. मैंने एक ही रिलेशनशिप में बहुत एफर्ट डाल दिया कि मैंने बाकी रिलेशनशिप देखी नहीं. एंड देन आई रियलाइज इट सो बैडली कि मेरे पास अब मेरे बंदे नहीं है, लाइक मैं कहाँ जाऊँ. So anybody, keep your relationships very, 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 very close to your heart.
You cannot always have it your way. हमेशा मन नहीं मारना होता, which also because I really struggle with that till date, to be honest. To find the balance कि कहाँ जाने देनी है बात कि कोई नहीं, और कहाँ यार अपनी भी रखनी है. So I till date struggle with that, but हाँ, there needs to be a balance to actually keep relationships, because you cannot always be, you know, dominating in a way and be like सब मेरे हिसाब से होगा, because तभी भी तुम्हारे से कोई रहना नहीं चाहेगा in the most simpler ways. But then also don't lose your sense of identity and individuality कि तुम्हारा भी मन है. So I guess we talked about it in the women's episode as well कि जब कुछ, if it's a group at the table, right, if you wanna have a little something, जो भी order करना है बोलो, जब कोई कुछ भी, तो फिर कुछ भी आता है टेबल पे, then you lose your sense of identity. Then you are like, you know, I was just trying to be likable and malleable, but ठीक है, you also have to have a sense of identity.
That's also one thing I wish I knew when I was younger. To like, you have to create your own identity. Like nobody will create it for you, and everybody will have a different versions of you in their head and mind, and that is okay.
That is okay.
Like I used to get so hurt कि ये बंदा मेरे बारे में ये सोचता है, and that's not me. That's totally not me. ये बंदा जो सोच रहा है, and I'm like कि मेरे को इसके दिमाग में अपनी image ठीक करनी है, and I'm like,
I love this song.
I don't care. तेरे दिमाग में जो इमेज है रख. I'm very happy with my life. I know जो मेरे लोग हैं, you, Avni, and Vancouver friends, so all of these people, they know who I am.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that matters. The third person who just came into my life, you can have as many images as you want in your head, and I don't give a F. I really wish I knew it.
I know, right?
When I was young. क्योंकि then आपके पास वो जो power आ जाती है ना बहुत कुछ करने की. हाँ. वो तो मैं तो आज ही वहाँ होती.
और सिर पे चढ़ के बैठी होती है.
Running Toronto, mayor of Toronto.
Bro, but when you get that sense of identity, ना जब एक बार समझ आती है, it's like reclaiming your power. It's like getting your power back in a way कि पहले ना तुम, at least मेरे साथ था the problem, speaking from very personal experience, कि I was mixed in with a group or in a room so much that I did not know who I am. कि मैं घुल मिल सबसे जाती हूँ, अभी भी घुल मिल जाती थी, but not to an extent that you don't have an identity of your own.
Me too.
Right? You need to be like, okay, she is very friendly, or like, you know, she gets along with people, but you know who she is, like you know this person also is able to and stands out on her own as well. I never had that for a very long time, and when you get that back, you're like, okay, it has a sense of power. And only when you've experienced it, you exactly know that वो reclaiming your power क्या होता है कि भाई मैं अकेले भी एक टेबल पे हूँ तो मैं ठीक हूँ, मैं खुश हूँ, because I am content with whatever is here. Like I don't need a person or a group to just exist.
Yeah.
So like
And honestly, when we
Yeah.
are in college and like when we are young, we all are very insecure about
Of
a lot
course
of
we
things.
are.
I was insecure
course we
about
are.
my arms. I'm still insecure about my arms, but I still choose to wear sleeveless. I know because this is the part I'm very insecure about my body. I love my body, but like there's some parts of there
There's some
कि मेरे को लगता है
insecurities.
कि no, this should have been more toned या अच्छा लग सकता है. But I still wear sleeveless because now I don't care. कि this is my body, this is part. I am still insecure. I accept the fact, but I can't just like stop wearing clothes because of this.
You know why I'm smiling is मुझे इससे एक बात याद आई, the way I've always been insecure of my arms as well. Fun fact. So मैंने ना एक चीज़ की और मैं कभी नहीं पहनती थी कि sleeveless. I've literally I think posted really back in the day about something like freeing the arms this summer or something like that. It was such a fear of mine to ever wear like sleeveless clothes. And rather abhi bhi, because there's a lot of loose skin, there's like jiggly skin everywhere. I've lost so much weight even after that. But because I realized, well, if I want to tell my younger self something, it's like don't wait for to be a version of you
yourself.
to be comfortable in your skin, to wear something. And I think that is something unknowingly I've done always, which also pisses a lot of people off. They're like, ye aise okay, aise pen, you're very confident. No, she's not confident. You want her to be sorry about looking a certain way or cover up? No, जो vision मैं अपना देखती हूँ, मुझे है कि regardless of my current body, self image, I always want to be the woman who is okay celebrating the body she has at the moment. Like वो उसको जो पहनना हो पहनेगी, उसको जितना लाउड मेकअप करना हो
Yeah,
करेगी.
they're very like
Yeah.
it's very good that you do that, but there are a lot of women
course
and
there
girls that are very insecure about their bodies, especially in college, because
Which is what I'm saying to like try. I really want to normalize this.
yeah.
पूरे तो मैं खुद भी परफेक्ट नहीं हूँ, कोई भी नहीं होता, ठीक है, हम भी नहीं है. तो आई गेस सबकी थोड़ी थोड़ी, बिकॉज मुझे कभी भी किसने पूछा है ना कि व्हाट्स लाइक योर I don't know, inspiration or the person you look up to, your mentor. I'm like, I do not have one mentor. I have picked up multiple things from multiple people over the over the course of my life. तो मैं कभी भी नहीं कह सकती कि एक बंदा जिससे मुझे जरूर मिलना ही है या फिर इसको मैं look up to करती हूँ. Honestly, but yes, there are a bunch of people जिनसे मैं through the course of my life मिलन की, और वो इंसान कोई टीटी से मिला हुआ भी हो सकता है, वो एक किसी की मैंने बुक भी पढ़ी हो सकती है, कोई मैंने रील भी टिकटॉक भी देखा हो सकता है.
It's like a
You're an
inspiration from the
amalgamation.
world.
Yeah, you're an amalgamation of all the people you meet, and कोई भी thought original नहीं होता. First of all,
it's never. It's always an inspiration.
इतने सालों से दुनिया चलती आ रही है, इतनी सारी बातें बोली जा चुकी है, लिखी जा चुकी है, जी जा चुकी है. People have lived experiences. You do not have a single original lived experience. I am saying it out loud, and it is okay. You can just phrase it differently.
Yeah.
Chances are that somebody has phrased it very closely to what you're saying
Yeah.
before you, and that is okay. Original की जो originality कितनी वो लेते हैं ना कि
But I think your personal story is your original.
your personal story is different. Just generally, like even with like art, like it is inspired from something or somewhere. Like that, what I'm saying, right? Like original creations actually कितनी ही होती है. दुनिया तो कब से चलती आ रही है, कितने लोगों ने कितनी बातें बोली, कितने तरह के म्यूजिक बने हैं. So sorry, a random tangent, but just made me.
That was a good thought, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I also know, I wish somebody would have told me how to take care of your body when I was younger. As in, जो छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स होती है ना, like how to take care of your body, how to take care of your personal hygiene.
Yeah.
These are topics which are not very common. And अगर आपके पास आप बड़ी सिस्टर नहीं है ना, तो you're just trying to figure out कि ये
Yeah.
कैसे होता है, ये कैसे होता है. बहुत छोटी चीजें
बहुत
पूछती
छोटी चीजें
बहुत
होती है.
छोटी चीजें होती
I
है
know.
कि how do we do that? ये तो मेरे को किसी ने बताया ही नहीं.
I know.
अभी तो चैट जीपीटी है, तो it's so much easier
AI has
just to
made it
go
so easy, yeah.
like blur out your random stupidest
questions.
thought
Yeah,
on
yeah.
ChatGPT,
Yeah.
and आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा.
Yeah, you don't have to
But-
embarrass yourself.
Embarrass yourself, but I really
Yeah.
wish कि अगर हम यूनिवर्सिटी में थे, there were so many things that I would have
I
asked
know.
my big sister कि
Aw.
let's say from a point of view कि मेरे को कोई लड़का पसंद, उसने ये कर दिया, तो उसने ये बोला, तो अब मैं क्या बोलूँ? There are so random things in my
I know.
mind कि इस चीज ये सिनेरियो में ये हो रहा है, मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने ये बोला, ये किया, वो किया. There's nobody कि हम जिसे जाके पूछ पाए.
Yeah.
There's always like friends.
Yeah, but then you need somebody, I know, एक outside of friends, but still like a safe space.
safe space.
I know.
है ना. I really wish. और जो
Yeah.
मैं सिस्टर्स का बॉन्ड देखती हूँ ना, लाइक जो भी लाइक दो
बहनें
सिस्टर्स
होती
होते
हैं,
हैं,
हाँ जी.
बहनें होती हैं, their bond is so nice.
so cute,
and there's
no?
like so much more happier, like chirpier in their life. I'm not saying we are not, just in
Yeah,
the fact
yeah,
कि
yeah.
उनको पता है कि ये बंदा जो है, she will be
Always there.
no matter what. वो उनको granted भी ले लेना, which is fine.
So siblings को तुम लेते ही after a point. It's like living with your best friend. You got to be kidding me.
It's like everything. आप छोटी से छोटी डिटेल भी उनके साथ शेयर करते हो.
ये जो मैं वो बात करी थी ना कि basic चीजें like how to take care of your body. Really, I actually saw a TikTok which was a little like, okay, like you know the one the is like, and I was like, so that उसमें TikTok में the girl saying that you do not wear, or you're not a chill girl for not wearing body lotion or like putting lotion all over your body. You were just never taught self-love like that. That really hit me hard.
I also saw that.
Bro कि तुम मतलब तुम अपने आप को you don't consider yourself worthy of taking out the time to really do your body care and hygiene and all that kind of stuff that way, because you're like, yeah, whatever,
ठीक है, चलेगा, नेचुरल ब्यूटी है, ये है, वो है.
which is okay, but you get where it's coming
I know,
from.
I know, that's what I'm
right?
saying.
It's actually self-love and taking care of yourself. अपना like the way exercising is self-respect. तुम अपनी इज्जत करते हो तो तुम अपना ध्यान रखते हो. So because you know you deserve better things.
Yeah.
You eat good because तुम अपनी इज्जत करते हो. तुम you do body care because you respect
your
yourself
body.
enough.
You maintain yourself a
Yeah.
certain way. आपको लगता है कि हाँ, मैं इतना तो कर सकती हूँ. Like I love wearing jewelry. I love
Yeah, she does.
I love taking care of my body. I love keeping my skin clean, my body clean. And this is not
Yeah.
something like मैंने किसी से पूछा है. Like
हाँ
I
जी.
saw my mama doing it.
हाँ.
I saw my mama doing like face pack
Facials
every
and
other
all that.
day.
हाँ, हाँ.
तो समर में वो मेरे को बना के देते थे. कोई हल्दी वाला मास्क, कोई कुछ मास्क, कोई बॉडी स्क्रब, कोई कुछ स्क्रब, कोई हेयर स्क्रब, लाइक कोई हेयर मास्क. शी वाज ऑलवेज आफ्टर मी फॉर लाइक
Yeah.
ये लगा लो, वो लगा लो,
हाँ
ये
जी.
लगा लो. एंड आई वाज लाइक, मैं उसमें हैबिट में पड़ गई कि आई हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई स्किन एंड माई बॉडी एंड माई हेयर. और अगर मैं 3 दिन स्किप कर दूँ तो मेरे को लगता है कि मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं अपनी बॉडी स्किन के लिए. इवन इट्स लाइक व्हाट यू ईट, व्हाट यू आर, बट that's not the concept I'm
But
talking
still,
about.
yeah,
It's
yeah,
just
I know
like,
exactly what you're talking about.
I take 30 minutes a day to take care of my scalp, to do my skin care, to do my hair care, and then I'm very happy कि मैंने अपना ध्यान रख लिया. I'm
Nice.
very presentable.
Yeah.
है ना?
You have a different kind of confidence in a way when you're treating yourself good. Like overall. That also includes how you speak to yourself.
Yeah,
which
I
is
don't speak very
something-
good to myself.
I have यार अब तो मुझे मेरे साथ ये हुआ कि बस कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं था. मुझे लगा आफ्टर अ पॉइंट कि ना, okay, I didn't want to rely on people. I actually have relied on people. One thing I would tell younger gurus, you've relied far too much on like other people's validation. ये कोई आके ठीक फील करवाएगा basically. But नहीं यार. You have to give your own self that sort of grace, and you have to speak to yourself in positive words. Like I don't care. तुम affirmation तुम नहीं believe करते, बाहर में जाओ, मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता. But अपने आप से please 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 प्यार से बात करो. You are deserving of love. Period.
Yeah.
Not because you are deserving of love. You don't have to earn it. You don't deserve love because you don't have, like, your parents are not going to love you more or less because your friends, the real ones, are not going to love you more or less if you're skinnier, if you're fatter, if you're popular, if you're not, if you're a success or if you're a failure. You are deserving of love as a human
matter
being.
what.
Period. तुम्हें that's one thing you don't have to earn.
Yeah.
That is so important. मैं अपने आप को बड़ी बड़ी याद दिलाती हूँ. I'm like, they can respect you in a certain, they can admire your journey, yada yada, but तुम्हें, You don't have to earn love.
Yeah, the person who will love you will
Yeah.
find you, or you will find that person in terms of friends, family, or
Anybody.
partner. But you don't have to act a certain way or be a certain way just to earn love.
Yeah.
That's it.
Love is not conditional.
Love
and
is
if
not
it is, it's not love.
Yeah, that's my parents always say, nobody will love you
Yeah.
more than your family.
Of course. That's
Nobody
a fact.
will love you more than your family, because आप कितने versions होते हैं उनके सामने, in front of your family. They have seen you at their worst, at their best, most of your life. But if you move out after 18th, it's a different story, because they've not really seen you grow as it, but they know कि ये बच्चा मेरा है, whatever it's happening, I will love.
पर इतना ही जरूरी और बस है कि ये इंसान मेरा है और वो अपनापन to just have love.
love.
If it honestly, if it comes with the reasons, I don't think that's love, bro.
But anybody who's like listening and like जो हमसे छोटे, we're not very like old, we are also like figuring out our 20s. And the reason we started this conversation is, जो चीज़ें आप फैमिली के साथ रह के एक साल में सीखती हो, when you live alone, you learn it way far faster than you would have lived in your than you would have experienced in your comfort zone. जो चीज़ें मैंने 2 साल में अपनी फैमिली के साथ रह के like experience करनी थी स्लो करके, वो मैंने 6 months like I fast टाइम वो मैंने 6 months में experience कर ली. And then if I can advise somebody जो मैंने 6 month में experience कर ली है, then why not?
Yeah.
Like I am a big sister to Avni, again उसका नाम आ गया, but I'm a big sister to Avni. She's 21, I'm 25.
Yeah.
But उसकी maturity level is way more than a 21-year-old. But there are some things जो मेरे को लगता है कि she should know as a 21-year-old, because मैं वैसी थी. I told you, remember कि जितनी वो hyper independent and गुस्से वाली है, like she is such a straightforward girl.
Yeah.
I was the same. We were the same. कि तूने ऐसे बोला क्यों? तू तेरे को मैं अब बताती हूँ. Like अभी तो मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है ना कि मेरी एनर्जी बहुत ज़्यादा
मैं उसमें तो बहुत
precious है.
थक
I
चुकी हूँ.
don't want to
हाँ.
like waste my energy on somebody कि जिसको पता
True.
है कि कोई फायदा नहीं होगा.
Yeah. It's like talking to a
तो
wall
मैं
again.
हाँ तो मैं करती नहीं हूँ, बट करना नहीं तो करना है. फिर मैं उसको समझाती हूँ कि ऐसा नहीं होता.
वो थोड़ा जवानी का
yeah, but still
खून
like,
कहते हैं, जवान खून वो थोड़ा होता है. The
but still,
rebelliousness.
yeah, but I don't.
Yeah.
I was also talking to one of our friend Pawan.
Okay.
ये वाली बात तो उसका भी like younger brother है ना, तो we were talking about something. उसने बोला कि मैं अपने brother की feelings को dismiss नहीं करता, and which a lot of people do.
Yeah.
Like अगर मैं अपने sibling से बात करूँ तो dismiss the feelings कि ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, ऐसा होता है. वो
हमें पता है.
advice देने में चले जाते हैं. Please जो भी ये सुन रहा है, do not do that. It's a very like personal experience. Do not dismiss anybody's feelings. सुन लो, देखो कि वो किस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बोल रहा है, rather than just running and giving them advice कि नहीं मैं तेरी एज से गुजरा हूँ, ऐसा नहीं ऐसा होता है.
Yeah.
Which is okay, होता होगा वैसा, but
पहले
listen
like-
to that person कि
Yeah.
वो क्यों ऐसा बोल रहा है,
Yeah.
किस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बोल रहा है. And even if he or she needs your advice, sometimes people do not need your advice. You do not have to like run.
Yeah.
No, उसको मेरी हेल्प चाहिए, एडवाइस चाहिए. No, just listen, nod, accept कि no, your feeling is validated. आप जो feel कर रहे हो, it's good, and move on.
That is
वो
so
figure out कर लेगा
true.
अपने आप.
और उसको अपने आप करने दो एक बार.
कर लेगा.
आई हैव माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड जिसकी मैं हमेशा हरनूर की बात करती हूँ. वो ना शी इज़ वेरी कॉर्डल्ड एंड पैम्पर्ड, सो वॉज आई. ओके, वो इतना कि शी हैज़ अ माइन्यूटेस्ट ऑफ इनकन्वीनियंसेस एंड शी कैन कॉल मी एट एनी टाइम. आई एम अवेलेबल फॉर हर. आई एम हर बॉय फ्रेंड इज एंड ऐसी चीज़ें. ठीक है, लाइक उसके हमेशा टचवुड शी इज़ बिन वेरी प्रिविलेज लाइक दैट. एक बार हुआ कि उसने मेरे she called me and on purpose and it was like 4 times in a row it has happened. She would call me. She has the minutest of inconvenience and I would be there, of course, in a split second for her. But I was also going through something absolutely soul crushing for like a good week and I did not have the emotional bandwidth, and this has never happened in 20 years of friendship, mind you. हुआ and उसने कॉल किया and वो कॉल उठाती अपना I'm like, हनूर सुन, शांत हो जा, पहले बात कर. मैंने कहा तूने मेरे साथ बात कैसे करी है? कह रही है बात बता रही थी. मैंने कहा तूने पूछा कहाँ है, कैसी है, क्या कर रही है? तो एक बार उसको टोक दिया और मैं कभी नहीं बोला. बड़ी बार ऐसा हो चुकी है ना, people just come in and they have their own thing to share. I'm like, did you even ask me how are you, where are you, what were you doing, do you have time? You never do, and that's okay. Like that's just how our equation is. But then that day मेरा इतना दिल दुखा है मेरे को जो मैंने बोला एंड शी इज लाइक वो सॉरी वो एंड देन आई एम लाइक सन आई हर्ड अ बिट ऑफ योर इशू एंड सीम्स लाइक इट्स समथिंग यू कैन डील विद. You know what, this time along try to deal with it by yourself. We all do. I know it hurts, I know it sucks to grow up and deal with things like an adult, but I think this time I should let you. And I didn't. I cut her call and उसमें एक दो text भी करे, मैंने reply नहीं करा, and उसमें एक दो text भी करे, मैंने reply नहीं करा, and I let her genuinely be for like a good 4 days. मैंने उससे बात नहीं करी and I low-key knew that she needed me in that moment as an emotional support, not like you know ऐसा कुछ कि मैं ही चाहिए, but like
somebody
and I was
listen to her.
and but I was like इस बार ना let her. And 4 days after, because मैंने कहा मेरे साथ भी in the past year ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई है, मुझे लगा कि काश मेरे पास कोई होता, बट अगर मेरे पास कोई होता ना तो मैं उस तरीके से फिगर आउट नहीं कर पाती. तो मैंने कहा इसको ना मैं एक बार ऐसा थॉट एक्सपेरिमेंट है, मैंने कहा इसको एक बार करने देते. ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू सम शिट, बट व्हेन आई डिड एंड दैट हैपेंड ओवर अ वीक, शी वाज लाइक या इट फेल्ट लाइक shit, I hated you, but then you know what, I was able to surpass that.
And you were such a good friend to do that. Like I would have.
मैंने 20 साल में आज तक नहीं करा. मैंने पहली बार, और मुझे भी honestly it came from a place of कि I was drained. I was like मेरे बस के
And
अभी
also
खुद
you
नहीं.
had that relationship with her कि तू कर सकती है.
वो तो मुझे
like,
मैंने उसको पूरा I really give her the pep talk कि कोई नहीं बेटा तू कर लेगी. मैं वो तो इतने प्यार से बच्चे की तरह बात करती थी. मैं कहा चल तू कर लेगी. मेरे साथ भी बहुत कुछ हुआ है सब पास्ट ईयर में जो मैंने तेरे को भी नहीं बताया शायद. तो मैंने भी कर लिया ना, सब कर लेते हैं, तू भी कर लेगी, चल.
That's actually very amazing. If you have a friend like this in your life,
Yeah,
you are
yeah.
very blessed.
I am there
You
for
are
all
you
this.
are very blessed कि अगर आपका दोस्त आपको करेक्ट कर देते हैं. Because मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी मेरा फ़ोन उठा देते हैं, but sometimes वो नहीं उठा पाते हैं, तो I don't call. So I am a kind of a person जिसने एक बार ही कॉल कर दिया, दो बार ही सेकेंड टाइम कॉल करने में भी मेरा जो आत्मा है ना वो बाहर आ जाती है. I will call a person one time and I would not
Why?
think कि वो busy है.
May I
मेरे को
ask
लगता है
why?
कि
Pride? Just say it.
no, not pride.
Really?
मेरे को लगता है कि I am wasting their time by like वो अपना काम में busy हैं. They are going through some things in their life and they might not have a bandwidth right now
Makes
to listen
sense.
to me.
Makes
तो मैं
sense.
सिर्फ एक कॉल करती हूँ because sometimes एक कॉल पे भी उठा ही लेते हैं mostly.
क्योंकि
Busy हो तो
because
दो.
also you're a text person, तो अगर तेरा कॉल आया तो I think it's like something to be talked about now and you know.
Yeah. Otherwise, I'm a text person. I will always
I know.
text first. Ki,
Yeah.
hey, are you available? Oi. So it's like a very extensive sentence of mine. Ki, hey. तो बात बहुत लंबा जाता है. तुम like, okay, she's not.
Gotcha.
अगर मेरे को reply आ गया, that means that person is available. अगर नहीं आया, that means that person is busy. I will not call. तो फिर मैं अपने में डील कर लेती हूँ कि
Fair.
बट ऑल्सो सी तो फ्रॉम वेयर आई एम कमिंग कि मैं पहले टेक्स्ट करके देखूंगी कि वो बंदा मेरे लिए अवेलेबल है कि नहीं है, रादर देन जस्ट थिंकिंग कि मेरे को भी किसी की ज़रूरत है. आई नेवर थॉट लाइक दैट. आई नेवर थॉट इन माई लाइफ लाइक दैट कि
is
मेरे को किसी की ज़रूरत है, एक्सेप्ट माई एक्स, कि मेरे को किसी की ज़रूरत है तो मैं ऐसे कॉल कर दूँ. आई विल ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि वो बंदे के पास मेरे लिए टाइम है कि नहीं है, विच इज़ नॉट गुड.
मैं वही सोच रही थी, you know what, I was like that is good and bad in
That
a
is
way.
good and bad.
What I was trying to say is that is good on your part, like you're very courteous of the fact कि सामने वाले की space और time की full respect, really good on you, but also कोई तो होना
कोई तो होना चाहिए
चाहिए
कि मैं ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा है एंड आई एम कॉलिंग दैट पर्सन. नोबडी. इवन फॉर अवनी आई विल मेक श्योर कि मैं उसका टाइम खराब नहीं करूँ. इवन दो मैं कितना ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा है, मेरा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, आई विल ऑलवेज टेक्स्ट फर्स्ट. बट मेरे को लगता है मेरे को उस वर्जन में आने के लिए या उस प्लेस पे आने के लिए टाइम लगेगा कि एक रियली फील कि ये
but I think that is giving इतना अपने आप को एक तरह से surrender करना to one or a few friends or a couple of friends. वो हाँ, it takes a while. Not gonna.
It takes a while. I just only did once जब मेरा breakup हुआ था, and then I just called my friends out of nowhere because that was the worst time, right? तो मैंने सिर्फ ऐसे कॉल करके I just blurred out and मैं booked flight नहीं, वो सब कुछ किया. Never in my life I will call you all of a sudden कि मेरा breakdown हो रहा है.
But coming back to the things I would want to say to my younger self was मेरी I think best quality और मेरी worst quality same है. Do you want to take a guess? I don't know.
Your best quality
And my
your
worst quality.
एक ही है.
I don't know तू कितने
You're
जानती
very
शायद.
emotional.
Fuck yes.
I'm a very good guesser.
Jeez, I actually did not think you would get
I'm a
it.
very good guesser.
I am the most like
I told you read people. I observe people. See?
इसका क्या win of the day.
I observe people. I told you I observe people.
What a cute too. My best and worst quality, as I'm like to an annoying level. Annoying when it turns towards the disadvantage, basically, as a disadvantage. I'm a very emotional person, but I'm trying to use it. No,
detach?
Detach. Of course, I'm gonna come on to that, but also use this emotional, I don't know, quotient that I have in a way that serves me well. But यार क्योंकि जब इंसान इतना emotional होता है ना,
But okay, tell me one thing.
yeah.
How do you define कि तू इतनी emotional है? Because I feel like मैं भी इतनी emotional हूँ, but now with the life I'm living, with the things I'm doing, मेरे को लगता है कि I'm learning how to act in less emotional way.
Yeah, like basically how to detach yourself from the thing.
Detach for
Exactly what I'm trying to go
How
to.
do you define yourself like as an emotional person? Let's say a situation.
Yeah. So for example, अगर if somebody does बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ for me ना, मैं बहुत खुश हो जाती हूँ. Like I cannot put into words. Sure, you'd be happy, but trust me, like I have like been in rooms and situations I've seen like X thing happening and two people reacting to it, and I'm always like my highs and lows with emotions are both really like on the extreme ends, and I've seen this, I've felt this through my life. चाहे वो कोई basic सी चीज़ है, मेरे को like it stays detachment and but मुझे एक बात और as a concept इतना सही लगा ना कि पहले तो मुझे detachment लगता था मैं कि नहीं यार मैं बड़ी emotionally involve होती हूँ हर चीज़ में, detach नहीं कर सकती, मैं
Me
detach
too.
नहीं कर सकती.
I was the same
हाँ.
person.
But when you understand the meaning
I'm
of
like
detachment,
the best thing in the world is to level, like to learn the art of detachment.
Detachment.
And you'll be so happy.
yeah, you can be attached. No, sorry, not attached. You can be you can love someone and still be detached to them.
Which means you
Yeah.
can love a person but still you love yourself more कि अगर वो बंदा कुछ कर रहा है
तुम शेक अप नहीं हो जाओगे पूरे अंदर
पूरे
तक.
अंदर के कि
Yeah.
ये क्या हो गया मेरे साथ.
हाँ, तुम्हारी पूरी लाइफ नहीं हिल जाएगी. You in the moment you love them truly and deeply, and that's not even just a relationship, a friend, your family for that matter. कि वो भी अगर कुछ कर दे, ऐसा कुछ हो जाए, तुम उनको you love them to bits, but you're not so emotionally attached, which is a very tough one. It's so easier said than done, and I know it, but you have to come to a point. I have to personally come to a point in life where I'm not so emotionally attached to my work. मुझे अपने काम से बड़ा प्यार है. मुझे अपने काम से, कंटेंट क्रिएशन से एक्सट्रीम प्यार है. तो अगर मेरा वो 4 दिन या कुछ हफ्ता नहीं सही जाता ना, मैं इतनी अपसेट, मेरी वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन थोड़ी थोड़ी हर जगह निकलेगी. आई एम लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ दीज एक्स थिंग्स आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू द थिंग दैट आई लव. सो पर उसका एक मतलब है, तो मैं इतनी इमोशनली अटैच हूँ, तो अपनी कहीं ना कहीं ना सेल्फ वर्थ उससे अटैच कर देते हो. तो तुम
I learned this 2 years ago.
ये मेरा भी चल रहा है.
Yeah, I learned this 2 years ago कि never attach your worth
Self-worth
to
to
anybody.
anything.
Anybody, just yourself. जो आपको खुशी देता है आप वो करो. And it's been hard to detach. अभी I used to, मेरा भी बहुत ब्रेक डाउन होता भी है ना. इट्स नॉट लाइक क्राइंग ब्रेक डाउन, इट्स अ ब्रेक डाउन की जहाँ मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा कि वाई एम आई फीलिंग दिस टुडे. दैट्स अ देयर अ डिफरेंस. एक ब्रेक डाउन होता है कि आप रो रहे हो, कि यू आर जस्ट क्राइंग 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 क्राइंग. एक ब्रेक डाउन होता है कि आपके पास यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपकी ये फीलिंग्स क्या है, कि ये क्यों चल रहा है, अभी एकदम से लाइफ ऐसे चेंज कैसे हो गई, अभी कल तक नॉर्मल था, अभी आज का दिन जो चढ़ा है व्हाई इज इट लाइक दिस, लाइक हाउ डू आई फिगर. एक वो ब्रेक डाउन होता है, लाइक यू आर जस्ट सेल्फ टॉकिंग टू योरसेल्फ इन योर माइंड. मेरा वो ज़्यादा ब्रेक डाउन होता है. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट माई डे कि अच्छा आज वाला दिन अच्छा गया, आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स कमिंग टुमारो, एंड इफ इट्स नॉट गुड और मेरा ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा है, बट आई डोंट क्राई नाउ. I have no idea why. I used to cry a lot. मेरे तो इतना मसूर होती थी कि मेरी आंखें सूज जाती है. I have swollen eyes, right? But then I felt like कि I have greater purpose in my life rather than just being here and crying. And then फिर मैं उधर देखती हूँ भगवान जी के फोटो की तरफ कि अगर ये बैठे हैं then why am I crying?
I know.
Just that is enough. Just that is enough to stop any breakdown. I would suggest you do that.
I know.
जब उनकी तरफ देखो, just think अगर ये यहाँ बैठे हैं then why am I crying?
I know.
Everything will be okay. and you will feel so much better.
And that's always something that has saved me since forever.
That's a hack and trick I always do.
Yeah.
मैं कुछ ना कुछ पाठ कीर्तन या
हाँ,
बाबी लगा
हमेशा।
उससे टाइम मैं लगा देती हूँ कि मैं वो डार्क जोन में ना चली जाऊँ वेयर इवन आई कांट कंट्रोल माई सेल्फ. तो मैं होती हूँ कि अगर ये यहाँ बैठे हैं देन आई कैन बी ओके.
I know. मेरे को
एंड
खुद
देन वो
गुरबानी
स्विच मेरा
शांत
ऐसे ही आ
करता
जाता है कि ओके लेट्स गो एंड देन आई जस्ट मूव ऑन टू माई नेक्स्ट टास्क.
Yeah.
वो मेरे को लगता है वो कर करके ना देन आई लर्न टू डिटैच, क्योंकि मैं एकदम अपने इमोशन शट डाउन करके उनको देख के एंड ट्रस्ट करके मूव ऑन हो जाती थी. तो वो रेगुलेट हो के ओके आई एम लाइक विल फिगर इट आउट.
ये जो मूव ऑन वाली बात है ना, इससे एक मुझे ध्यान आया कि सबसे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है व्हेनेवर you can first of all feel yourself, the feeling creeping in, you're spiraling.
Yeah.
You know it. It's very silent, but it's very loud in your head, right? उस टाइम ना, and उस टाइम लग रहा हो तुम बिल्कुल हिल नहीं सकते हो, like you cannot just even get up and move, but the only thing to do is change your immediate environment. उसी second get the fuck up, like,
Yeah, मतलब
and
घर
it's
से
the
बाहर निकल
hardest. रूम से बाहर निकल जाओ, घर से बाहर निकल जाओ. That's a hack. It always works.
Yes.
And it's the toughest thing to do in that moment.
यस.
वो उठना बेड से, वो ट्रांजिशन करना इतना औखा लगता है. एंड आई नो इट बिकॉज आई हैव डन इट एंड वी ऑल हैव बीन देयर. बट 100 out of 100 times that has worked for me.
इट ऑलवेज डज.
चाहे मैं कह रही हूँ रात के 3 बजे रूम से बाहर निकल जाओ, किचन तक हो, इतने में भी ना जस्ट वो एक
लाइक स्प्लिट चेंज ऑफ दैट प्रेजेंट
immediate environment change करना ना, it always works whenever you feel like that feeling is creeping and you're not feeling well. जो भी चल रहा है, सुन रहे हो, उठो, बस just change your immediate environment.
Which is so true.
If you can go for a walk, try to get in some fresh air. Breathing in fresh air, touching the grass helps, but immediate environment change करने से इतना मतलब फर्क पड़ता है ना, I cannot even tell you. Because वो तुम जा रहे होते हो, like you can see yourself physically spiraling. Yeah, that always helps. Big sister advice, also just keeping it a little lighter, girly pop when you're gonna start dating.
Oh my
I should.
god. I really wish
should
I had
tell you.
somebody to tell me a lot of things.
A lot of things.
I really wish
Take the lead.
somebody would have told me a lot of things on how to date. Till today,
Yeah.
I don't know how to date. I'm just going to put it out there.
You
I'm
teach me
figuring-
more things.
Yeah, I'm figuring out. I'm a big sister to you, Dad.
Yeah.
Because I experienced
Yeah.
some things, and then
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
ये बता दूँ मैं?
ये मैं बता देती हूँ, so that she doesn't go through the same thing and
Yeah.
she has a heads up.
Yeah, makes sense.
I didn't have that. I have to like go through it and experience, and I'm like, hey,
That's what a big sister does. She lives through कि ये सब तो मेरे ऊपर बीती है, ये
बीती
तुम
है।
पे ना बीते, तो मैं आज बता रही हूँ. It's one of those things.
one of those things. Like a dating big sister advice would be, do not let anybody tell like if you are good or not good. Always, always, always walk into a room, into any date. Let's say you are dating. Walk into any date feeling like you are the best and you deserve everything.
Yeah.
जब आपका वो कॉन्फिडेंस स्विच आता है ना, इवन इफ दैट अदर पर्सन इज मोर अचीवर, हाई सक्सीडर, कुछ भी हो, लाइक उसका बहुत ज़्यादा उसने आपसे अचीव किया हुआ है, नेवर 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 बी इम्प्रेस्ड. उसने मेरे से ज़्यादा किया है तो भाई मैं इम्प्रेस हूँ. दिस इज लाइक अ रियलिटी
बहुत
चेक
सही बात
हम
है.
कर देते हैं कि अरे वाह, ये तो यहाँ से पढ़ा है, इसने तो ये किया हुआ है, मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया. नेवर डू दैट.
Yeah.
नेवर डू दैट. यू नेवर नो कि उस बंदे की बैक स्टोरी क्या है. ही डजंट नो आपकी बैक स्टोरी क्या
For
है.
a fact.
तो आपने जो किया है अब तक, यू आर हेयर फॉर अ रीजन.
Of course.
यू गाइज मैच्ड फॉर अ रीजन. यू गाइज आर
Yeah.
ऑन डेट फॉर अ रीजन. उसने वो अपने दिमाग में सोचा कि ये बंदी तो बड़ी सेट है, इसने ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया, एंड आप अपने दिमाग में सोचो कि उसने कितना किया हुआ है. तो मतलब
That is so true.
both parties are not like very happy with each other, but they're happy from the validation of other people.
Lol, yeah.
And that brings me to the point, don't get validated from anybody else.
Yep.
Somebody will like your eyes, somebody won't like your eyes. Somebody will like your makeup, somebody won't like your makeup.
Yep.
Somebody will like a certain outfit, somebody will like you don't look good in your outfit. As long as you love yourself in any form, any way, anything, you are good. मैंने बहुत टाइम लगा के मैंने सीखा है.
Same.
मेरे को किसी की वैलिडेशन नहीं चाहिए.
Same. मैंने
मैं पूछ
कहा भी
लेती
था,
हूँ, फिर
हाँ.
मैं अपनी करती हूँ. And then I'm like, why did you ask me? I'm like, yeah, that's also
You know,
true.
the episode we did, Can Women Have? That's what I said. I'm like, one thing I love and like would love more women to stop doing is like stop seeking validation. Not just men, you know,
Like overall,
overall.
just do it because you like
You
it.
want it.
You want to do it.
अपनी choice से करो
Confusion
चीजें.
है, that's another thing, but like validation on a whole lot level.
Exactly.
कि आपको like मेरे लिए according है कि मेरे को I love short hair, but sometimes I
That's
also
cute.
feel like कि I don't look good in short hair, but I love short hair, तो मैं short hair चली जाती हूँ. And then people around me say like कि तू बड़ी गुगलू मुगलू लगते है, like you look very chubbier in short hair. And then in my head I'm like, oh yeah, I do look chubbier in short hair. But then again I'm like, should I do it? Should I not do it? Should I
Whatever
do
makes
it?
your heart
Should I-
happy, girl.
So the validation.
I
Right?
know.
Sometimes it lets to you like
Of course it gets to you.
sometimes आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार ठीक है बंदा ठीक बोल रहा होगा. Some do people like some ठीक बोलते हैं सुन लेनी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं अपनी एनर्जी में आप पागल हो चुके कि Lulu is not always right. 90% is right. 10% कुछ बंदा सही एडवाइस दे रहा
You know
होता है,
where
तो
it
सुन
took
लो.
me.
तो सुन लो.
Also when you go out to date, just know ये सारे लड़के जो चुपड़ी बातें करते हैं ना, ये सब सेम बातें करते हैं.
That's so true. How did I forget to tell you?
Yes, like starting में तुम होगे impress, which is why do not stick by
Stick
the
by
first dummy that you
Everybody's on their
meet
best behavior for at least
for a few days, bro.
for not even a few days, few weeks. Are people are on their best behavior for months?
Wow.
People
No,
are.
बहुत revised. अगर तुम जब when you step into the dating scenario ना, you actually start to talk to new people and meet new people. उनका set game चल रही है. ये सारे
Everybody
players
is on their
हैं.
best behavior. Everybody will try to impress you.
Yeah.
Even girls are on their best behavior to sometimes
say,
like
yeah.
It goes both ways. And then but just guard your emotions और सब
Yeah.
कुछ just guard your emotion और सब कुछ ऐसे like एक
Yeah.
दो तीन मीटिंग पे आपको लग रहा है कि हाँ बहुत बढ़िया है सब कुछ नहीं बाहर दे देना है.
सब एक दूसरे को impress कर. If you're dating, you're there to impress the other
Impress
person. You're at your best behavior. So please know कि सारी चिकनी चुपड़ी बातें वो चारों लड़कियों से कर रहे हैं बहन. Safeguard your impress नहीं होना, अभी नहीं होना impress. अभी रुक जा.
Be on your like
Yeah.
I don't get impressed easily.
I'm like cool,
person.
yeah. Try to be that mysterious girl if you can. I mean, I'm a big mouth. मैं खुद हूँ नहीं, पर ये भाई अपने आप को एडवाइस देना चाह रही थी मैं ये जो मैं जो पहला लड़का दिखा उसको हाँ बोल के उसके साथ पतिव्रता पत्नी मत बन जाओ दीदी. Like take your time, explore. It's your age. Time लो.
Yeah,
And
but
explore
also-
doesn't even mean that you just. I mean, if you wanna have a whole face, go for it. But it does not go for it, girl.
Yeah, it's up to you. Like
It's up to you.
Nowhere is there to judge.
Nobody's here to judge, okay? If you have your whole face going on, live it up. But हाँ थोड़ा ना मतलब 20 लोगों से मिलो ताकि तुम्हें एटलीस्ट बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो कि इस तरह के लोग
yeah.
होते हैं. So बहन, protect yourself, protect your friendships. And I think with that we come to an
Do you
end.
have any other point you want to mention?
नहीं बेजान तेरी मीटिंग है.
बता दो 2 मिनट में wrap up हो सकता है.
2 मिनट में wrap up हो सकता है.
क्या point?
अरे वो थोड़ी again deeper points. I'm like it's okay, it's a fun पे end करते
it's
हैं.
a
Dating
fun.
waiting पे end करते हैं.
Also, ending this advice, big sister advice.
Yes,
on
ma'am.
take care of yourself. I know nobody will tell you, but like
Yeah.
maintain yourself as you would like to get like जब आप rich हो जाओगे. So like see yourself as that
Yeah.
version.
Yeah.
Like you think like you will do this when you have a lot of money.
Exist
Do
as that version.
like 30% of it. I know
No.
it takes resources and money. I'm not gonna lie, but like try to do it.
But some things don't take resources. Taste और एक वही चीज़ होती है कि मेरे को किसने कहा था कि अच्छे कपड़े पहनना एक जो चीज़ है ठीक है. शीन से भी तुम क्लासिक्स बेसिक है ना. हाँ वही.
Like any वाले मैं बहुत mediocre level की बात कर रही हूँ. Sometimes
I
you're
know.
not earning, you don't have money, but you
I
also
know.
want to maintain yourself with
I
that
know.
that
I
vision,
know.
right?
I know.
कि I want to maintain myself like this. So उसका 30% start करो, 40% start करो. I didn't used to get my nails done, pedis done because मेरे को लगता था कि पैसे जल जाते हैं. But फिर मैंने सोचा कि this is what I want to do. Like I want to maintain myself. तो
Rather
अगर मैं ये खर्च कर रही हूँ तो it will come around in any way or I will work for it.
Of course.
So then I started doing it. I started taking care of my skin, my
Abundance
body.
mentality. पैसे बचा के तुम ज्यादा नहीं कमा सकते. तुम्हें बस कमाने पड़ेंगे. And have faith in the universe. And universe से जब भी मांगते हो ना abundantly मांगा करो. उसके पास कमी नहीं है. भगवान के पास थोड़ी कमी है. उनसे तो ऐसे मुंह फाड़ के मांगना चाहिए because if
कुछ तो देंगे.
कुछ तो देंगे.
कि ये लड़की तो बहुत मांग रही है, चल कुछ दे देते हैं.
मैं तो challenge करती हूँ. I'm like, it's literally your rapo that you have to keep. When I call you my father, if I say I'm God's child, देख लो फिर अब मुझे कैसे रखोगे? It's on you, bro, your rapo.
But yeah, guys, let us know if you want a part 2 of Big Sister's advice, because we might have a lot of things that
Right, it was very
we
hearty.
do, and we don't want to keep this episode very long, because then it gets very deep and like,
Yeah,
heavy.
and I really want to hear कि तुम्हें किस बारे में क्या सुनना है, क्या चाहिए. So
I mean,
we
we
really
can help you guys somewhere.
Yeah, if
along
there's
the lines.
something, कुछ भी इन 25 साल में हमने 24-25 साल में छोटा मोटा तो कुछ तो करा ही है.
and also,
तो अगर
yeah.
तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हें in detail किस चीज के बारे में सुनना है,
So let
जानना
us know
है,
in the comments.
let us know.
But yeah, we will see you in the next episode, guys. Have fun, take care, and be bold, be courageous, and protect your energy.
We love you. Your sisters love you.
Bye.
Bye.